Yo, what is going on? It is Freddy. I'm back with Make It Yourself. So listen, today we got a Philly cheesesteak video. It's going to be a pretty simple, pretty easy recipe. All the ingredients are going to be down in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Before we jump into this video, I just want to say thank you for everybody that's watching. A like and a comment are always greatly appreciated. It lets me know that I'm doing what I need to do with these videos. It lets me know that you guys like them, enjoy them. If you're new to the channel, just make sure to hit the sub button before you leave. And let's just jump right into the video. For you guys watching at home, I just want to say that you guys can season your steak however you want. I just went ahead and used garlic salt, onion powder, and a little bit of black pepper. In all honesty, that worked perfectly fine for me because I knew that the flavor of the meat is going to make it to where it's like it stands out a lot more than if I'd have threw on just a bunch of different ingredients. With the onions and bell peppers, if you wanted to, you could just dice them, or you could just leave them as thick as you want. So for me, I made them as thin as I wanted to, but I wanted them to have a little bit of thickness to really get the taste and bring it out. So that's just my personal preference. You'll see some people throw the provolone cheese on top of the actual meat and everything, but for me, I just wanted to leave it as like a side option. It's not mandatory, not for me. But hey, listen, if you guys have made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you. I truly appreciate you. Like I said in the beginning, a like and comment is always greatly appreciated. It lets me know that I'm doing everything I need to do with these videos, that you guys like them, that you guys like the content and where I'm going with this channel. So yeah, with that, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.